Okay guys, after the overview about my for sites for internet platforms, let's go to the trading capabilities. So let's get started with the Tsar Japanese Yen, the cross trade with the best performance 2012, and the US dollar Tsar, the cross trade with the worst performance in 2012. And here we are, the South African rand and Japanese yen in a historical review. We see here the from 90 to 12, last 22 years. We see here this very sharp decline being here from around about 60 to 10, and then the upgrades to 20, back on 10, down, and here something like a recovery. Very interesting view on the long term here. So I'm painting some lines inside, of course. Here we see it, and here we see the low, and here something like 2002, here something like consolidation, then the upside trend, highs 2005-6, and the lows like a flat if you want, shoulder head shoulder also, and here the lows 2009 8-9 and 11-12, here lows again, and here the highs. So very interesting formation from the historical view, so not useful for the day traders. Here we see very massive upside trend in the last days. Here, look at this guys. So here, see it, very massive, and here we are round about 11 on how do you say, resistant areas. But I will, to all these charts, give you a daily intraday signal video next time. But here today, an historical review and outlook. And important is here this line round about 9.6, and we are here right now proudly above at 10. We closed by 10.73. So yes, perhaps we will fall back here in this area round about the consolidation 2001 to 10, 9, 10, 11 here. So, and this is round about 10, 10.50 and 12.50 roundabout. So, and this, but who knows, however, that's the South African rand in Japanese yen. Next one here, United States dollar and rand, and here we see also last 22 years. Here in the 90s until 9/11, here the high. Then we've got the fall back to 2004-5, and then here while the crisis also the high, and here we are now falling back. I'm thinking last week or last month I'm adding or uploaded also video. I tried to go long this cross rate, but yes, squeezed out, pulled out. So analyze the stuff against yours. It seems like that we are here back in a downside trend, and perhaps come down here round about 6.5, 6.6. So, however, here I'm putting some lines. Here the high 2001, round about after 9/11. Here while the crisis the high, and here this upside trend and sideways trend. And I'm thinking right here right now, okay, last week or the week before I thought we will come back here at start of the year, but here, yes, here was it. I thought we will get this upside trend, but here last week we see we'll fall here down. So it's enough space here, 6.6 until into summertime, perhaps, of course. Very hot cross rate, and I will give you for intraday trading, of course, and trading opportunity in the next days and months. So here the bigger view. Okay, the next one is the loonie, the cross trade with the smallest difference between last month closing and 250 SMA. Here it is. Very, yes, I can't, I must laugh when I saw this chart here from the 70s. Here after Bretton Woods, the sideways trend round about 1, the loonie, then the upside trend here, 80s and 90s to 160, and then after 9/11 also the fall in the loonie. And here, while the crisis very shake out, so very interesting and unusually historical development. So very interesting also to trade, very liquid currency here. And here are my lines. Here, interesting for us or short-term traders is here the downside trend after 2001. Then here I put it here the sideways trend if you want since before crisis. So here before crisis, while crisis here this spike out, this triangle spike out, and we are here trading right inside, right here right now. Very interesting area here in my opinion. Round about 1. Right now we are, if I'm not wrong, about 99, 0.99, and perhaps we will also fall slightly down today. So, and by the way, here the moving average, how is it? I didn't post it here. 250. Perhaps here a better line in yellow. Let's zoom a little bit. Here we see also give us perhaps a short entry last week. So, or at the start of the week it was it, if I'm not wrong. No, last week. Yes, last week on Friday. Yes, here on Friday. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday. Today. I don't have a chart, but yes, however, unless the stuff again, I will surely create a video about this cross trade too in the next time. The next one is the Euro Real cross trade with 3 down month closings. The other one also, unless the stuff again, it's yours. I want to give you a short overview about the Euro Real. Here it is. And here we see, yes, the upside trend, sideways trend, spike, and sideways trend too. Very interesting and unusually cross rate from the euro perspective. So here we see the high, sideways trend, here the spike, and here sideways trend too. And if we are zooming it a little bit, here we see we are round about lows here. And the question is 220. Yes, will we break through on the downside, or it's buy opportunity? Very interesting. Round about July last year. So interesting area. Also interesting to trade trader-able currency, and yes, we will see what will happen. I will surely create a video about this cross rate too in the next time. Next one, the central bank index, fascination technical scenario in the BEERI index. Here it is. BEERI means broad effective exchange rate index, of course, and here I'm painting also the, here we see the, how to say, the actuality one, and here in yellow we see the old one based on the IMF until summer 2006, of course. Here if we're zooming here, so we've got a broader view, a longer view here. So, and interesting for me in my opinion is here the lows from then, if you want. Yes, of course, from then. Here once again the lows from then, 92, 96 here, and then the highs 2007, and here then the flag formation here, this the fall of the pound, and then here this flag formation in the last 3 years after crisis or while the crisis here. So very interesting. So the pound very on a proudly sideways trend, and we will see what will happen. So here from the longer term view, very interesting, fascinating scenario here. So okay. The next one is the New Zealand dollar Canada dollar cross front meeting at 100-200 SMA. Here we see it. Yes, on a long-term view, last 22 years, not so big development, but also tradable moves. And here we are here right now on an interesting, fascinating area. So I'm painting here the 100 and 200 SMA, and here at 0.85, of course, something like top. So very interesting area here. Here we see the last 6 years if you want. So here the low is 2006, then the high is 2007, 8, 9 a little bit lower, 10 also, 11 also high. So very interesting area, also very tradable. And here if we are zooming, we see here the lowest difference between these two. So okay, the last 2 days we lost here, so it seems like that this area is something like a sell area, but we will see on an intraday basis. Here we see this upside trend, here this turnaround formation, and however, analyze the stuff again, it's still yours. I will surely create a video about this cross trade in my another 48 hours edition. And the last one is the Canada also chief. February closing was above 100 and 200. Here was here New Zealand dollar Canada was cross-mode meeting. Here is above. Also the other one. I want to show you the Canada chief. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Also interesting area. Here the low side. Here then of course also 94, 5, 6. The lows 98, something a little bit 2000, 2008, and here the sell-off, massive sell-off. Here also where the SMB interweighted, create a put, and here are the lines. So here the lines, yes. Here also the 100, 200 area. So here we see it, and if we are zooming it, here we see it much better. And here the interesting fact, we are closing last day, making turnaround, and closed here above the 100 line. So it's this yes long entry signal. However, analyze the stuff again, it's still yours, but very interesting formation. Here we see the intervention as the SMB intervented. So here the development, and however, so okay. Yo guys, to come to an end, analyze the stuff again, it's still yours. I will creating some videos, but by the way, I will not create in the next 10 days some videos. I have to do some private things to get some things clear. I will create another 48 hours technical analysis synthesis for us in our next Monday. It's the 12th. That's the 12th March 2012, and yeah, analyze the stuff again. Then I will Twitter again, uploading on and uploading my videos on YouTube. So and yes, Wish you the best. Analyze the stuff again. It's still yours. And I'm over and out for today. Peace. Have a great time.